Hello, welcome back. This is Jeff Byers, instructor for NA 235, and this is Module 8, and this is Turn-in Instructions video tutorial. Please make sure you have you put your name on every file. I look for that in case they get separated. I want you to turn in your character model texture board. Some of you are still have not turned that in, believe it or not. You're going to get graded on this. Those of you that have not turned it in and still will not turn it in, or do not turn it in, will get 10 points off. So please turn in your character modeling and texture mood boards. And then the next thing you're going to be doing is turning in your UV mapped stylistic character, the clothing and assets as an MB file, FBX file, and an OBJ file. You'll turn in all your raw UVs. What are those? Well, they look just like this. Okay. If you do standard, you'll have you'll have your UV maps filled up with items or your character, so you can have your character in, and then you have your shirt done separately. But the UDIM tiles will look more like these separate pieces. So I have 10 of them, and they look like this, like they're separated, and they are numbered like this. So it's like UV or U1 V1, and then U2 V1, and then U2 U3 V1. They're numbered like that. So they're numbered differently than the regular standard conventional UVs. So just make sure you understand that. You do one or the other. You can't do both. So so you need to turn those UVs in. Okay, and those are the ones you saved out of the UV editor. Okay. And then I need to have need you to turn in 4 renders, front and back perspective and front and back wireframe. And those are down here. You can see that there's a front view, there's a front view wireframe, there's a back view, there's a back view wireframe. So these are the examples you need for that. Make sure that you have it nicely lit. You can use the same lighting scenario you did for Module 7 and Module 6. And make sure you do 2K square. I think these are 2K. Yeah, 2K square. Alright, so structure, basically your first name, last name, Annie 235 Module 8. You'll have a scenes folder that you create, a source images folder, and a renders folder that you create. Okay, so you will place all of the, you'll place the storyboards, the character modeling and texture storyboards into your renders folder. Okay. And you'll turn in your UV mapped stylistic character in your scenes folder, the MV, FBX, and OBJ, and the raw UVs will be in your source images folder that you create. Okay, and of course your renders go in the renders folder, right? So that's basically it. You'll go ahead and you'll place all the subfolders into the main folder, which is this one right here. And you'll zip it and go ahead and upload it when you're all finished. That's basically it with the turn-in deliverables. If you have questions, let me know. It's the same basic file structure. And let's take a look. So this is not the folder, but you'll create your folders, and just to let you know, the UDIM tiles, they look like this. Okay, UDIM tiles. And then I think I did one without the UDIM tiles. Where's that at here? Nope. There it is. So this is the one that is just standard UV map. So there's the body, the entire body on one sheet, and then you can have the clothing on another sheet. So that's the standard UV maps, and you'll put those in the source images folder. Okay? Alright. So you know the folder structure. Just remember Let's see, where did I put that? There it is. Okay, there's the folder structure, and just go ahead and get everything set up. You guys have done this so many times, I really don't feel like I need to show you how to do stuff. And one of the things I will take you through really quick, depending on which way you go, is that even if your objects are separated in small little pieces, you can just marquee select it and go into File, Export Selection, and just you can export these just like you've been doing before, and you'll just have more pieces and export it as an OBJ, MB, and an FBX. Okay, and that's it, and just place those in the scenes folder. Alright, good luck with everything, guys. You guys are doing a great job. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you in Module 9, which is a really awesome. This is where you actually see your character basically come to life, meaning that you get to see the textures. And I'm going to show you how to do subsurface scattering. It's going to be a lot of fun. You'll get to get your character looking really good, and we'll be able to bring your character to life, meaning with color. And make sure you spend a lot of time. And I would take this time here and now, if this didn't take you long this week and you get everything uploaded, to start looking at substance materials. Go out there and try to find some. And you got places like Substance Share and Substance Source, and then you can look up like substance materials. Just see if you can find some free stuff out there. I'm not asking you to buy anything, so if you can find free stuff, and then I'm going to give you some materials that will be impossible to find, will be very hard to find. Not impossible, but some of them I just came upon that I thought were really, really good, and I'll be happy to share those with you. Anyway, I'll kind of start creating stuff, and we'll have that in Module 9. But anyway, I'll see you in Module 9, and have a great week, and I'll see you then.